In the past few years, we've expanded our capacity to build water trucks and larger dump trucks. But no matter how many we build, we still make sure that Scelzi attention to detail and quality is built into every single truck body. Let's follow this water truck from raw steel to completion. First, we take a sheet of steel and form it into the proper shape. From there, 2 or 3 formed tank skins are welded together depending on the tank capacity needed. Next, we prepare the tank for the special piping required. Scelzi water trucks come standard with a full range of features, including 3/16 steel tank skins welded inside and out, 2 24 by 24 square manholes in each chamber for easy access. 3 manholes are used for 4,000-gallon water tanks. A heavy-duty steel ladder, a 2.5-inch hydrant fill pipe, front and rear spray bars, driver and passenger side adjustable side spray fittings, a control box inside the cab, a 24-inch stinger storage compartment with a lockable lid. Optional water truck equipment includes gravity water tank dump valves, electronic or manual hose reels, various safety lighting packages, manual or electric water cannons, an additional 1/4-inch thick belly steel overlay along the bottom of the tank to reduce tank rot out. After the tank is painted, it's mounted to the chassis cab. Scelzi provides special construction features not found on many water trucks, such as rubber mounts between the long sill and chassis to minimize vibration, spring tank mounts to act as shock absorbers for the water tank independent of the chassis cab,